The 2021 Toyota Highlander dutifully gets the job done and then some. Buyers can choose from the standard V6 engine or go with the fuel-sipping hybrid option. Both powertrains are available with all-wheel drive. Inside, there are 3 rows of seats, although the rearmost perches are sized for kids or young adults. The nicely equipped cabin is packed with infotainment features and thoughtful storage cubbies. The Highlander comes with a 295 HP 3.5-liter V6, which pairs with an 8-speed automatic transmission and either front or all-wheel drive. During a brief test drive, we found the V6 could tackle short on-ramps without straining. At our test track, our all-wheel drive test vehicle made it to 60 miles per hour in reasonably quick 6.7 seconds. Handling is unexciting but stable, and the ride is perfectly suitable for family chauffeur duty. More driving enjoyment can be found in the Mazda CX-9. A 2.5-liter 4-cylinder and 2 electric motors team up for a combined 243 horsepower in the Highlander Hybrid. This model comes with a continuously variable automatic transmission, CVT, and a choice between front and all-wheel drive. Leveraging Toyota's hybrid expertise, this powertrain provides buyers with something more fuel-efficient than the standard model. The trade-off comes in acceleration performance, both due to the hybrid's lower horsepower rating and the fact that this model uses a CVT instead of the non-hybrid's 8-speed automatic. At our test track, the hybrid model made it to 60 miles per hour in 7.3 seconds. Potential buyers in this segment will perhaps know that the Ford Explorer comes in hybrid form, too. But pitting these utes against each other, the Toyota comes out on top in terms of fuel economy, and the Highlander Hybrid's starting price of $39,585 is a whopping $11,810 less than the Explorer Hybrids.